SoftBank is placing one of its boldest bets yet, and the market is watching closely. The company has announced a major pivot. It sold its entire stake in Nvidia Corporation, raising about $5.8 billion, and is plowing the proceeds into AI ventures, most notably OpenAI. The goal? A multi-billion-dollar commitment aimed at dominating the next wave of artificial intelligence. On paper, this is high risk, high reward. SoftBank's leadership says the move reflects conviction in long-term disruption. AI infrastructure and intelligent systems will reshape every industry. But behind the scenes, some of the industry's sharpest investors and analysts are waving warning flags. Is this a visionary maneuver or a speculative leap into a rising hype cycle? Here's what's fueling the debate. SoftBank's shift from Nvidia to backing OpenAI signals ambition, but also untested territory. Some big short investors and longtime market watchers suggest AI valuations may be overheating, citing rising costs, unclear monetization, and the sheer scale of expectations. SoftBank's balance sheet is under scrutiny. Whether it can manage such large wagers without overexposing itself is a key question for shareholders. What this means for you? If SoftBank wins, we might be on the cusp of a new era where AI-powered companies dominate the stock landscape. If it misfires, the ripple effects could hit not just SoftBank, but an entire ecosystem that's been riding the AI wave. So the real question, is this smart money discipline, or what happens when hype meets billions of dollars and enormous expectations?